name?
I'm Isaac Tan Rachel.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old and I'm from primary 3. I'm in primary 3.
Oh, okay. You are in primary 3. Which school are you from?
I am from Catholic High School.
How long have you been studying at Writers at Work?
I've been studying Writers at Work for 2.5 years.
Since when?
Since P1.
Do you know how many competitions have you done here at WOW already?
I have written 125 compositions in Writers at Work.
Wow. How did you know that it's 125 competitions?
I write 50 compositions every year. So 2.5 years equals 125 stories.
So, after you've written so many stories, do you think you are a good writer?
Yes, I think I am a good writer.
How did you know that?
I mostly taught my class in my competition writing in school.
How high is high when you say you taught your class?
Full marks.
And can you use 3 words to describe your wow teacher?
Amazing, amazing, and amazing.
Okay.
Use 3 words to describe yourself.
Handsome, smart, and robust.
Can you complete this sentence within 3 words? I think my wow lessons here are...
I think my wow lessons here are fun, exciting, and interesting.
Wow is a fruit. What would it be?
If wow was a fruit, it would be a durian. Because it would be a durian because a durian is the king of the fruits and wow is the king of the writers.
If wow is an animal,
If wow is an animal, it would be a cheetah. As with as a cheetah, the students here can learn the competition quickly.
wow belongs to...
If wow belongs to me, I would make the classrooms even bigger to have more space to play games. If wow has bigger classrooms,